Hi, my name's Gemma. I went to instasmile. I wasn't still not very happy with my smile. Don't feel confident with photos being taken and smiling with my teeth showing ever since having my little boy, who's 3 now. My teeth just haven't been the same. I had one pulled on the side. Where I've had it pulled, I've never had it replaced. Too expensive. Dental costs really expensive, resulting in a gap, as you can see, forming. This is where I had the tooth removed. I went to instasmile and asked whether or not they could help, and they said sure. Very easy process. I ordered the shade A1, which is a natural white. I've done the impressions, got the approval, sent them off, and my teeth have come back, and they come in a cute little case like this with a mirror, and there's my teeth, and I'll show you with them in. So my top set. Top, and then the bottom. Really easy, no gaps, as you can see. Massive confidence boost now. I've got a bit of a lisp, that will disappear with regular use. But really happy with them. Thank you very much, instasmile. I love them.